Sometimes, the real legend isn't the ship that sank dramatically, but the one that simply refused to sink. Titanic had a brother. And, unlike Titanic, this ship survived absolutely everything. 1911. White Star Line launches its massive new ocean liner, HMS Olympic, the first of three legendary sister ships, Olympic, Titanic, and Britannic. Olympic looked almost identical to Titanic. Same funnels, same luxury, but with one important difference. It had absurd luck. In its very first year, Olympic collides with a British warship. Most liners would be doomed. Olympic got scratched and kept going. Then Titanic sinks. Suddenly, people start looking at Olympic with extreme concern. After Titanic's disaster, Olympic receives massive upgrades. More lifeboats, stronger protection, reinforced hull. Now the ship was ready for almost anything. Then World War I begins, and Olympic stops being a peaceful passenger ship. 1918. A German submarine spots Olympic. Very bad decision, because Olympic simply rams it. Titanic sank, Britannic sank, but Olympic kept sailing for many more years, as if saying, skill issue. During its lifetime, Olympic carried hundreds of thousands of passengers, survived collisions, war, storms, and its own family. People called it Old Reliable, and maybe it was the only Olympic-class ship that truly lived up to the name. Sometimes, the real legend isn't the ship that sank dramatically, but the one that